Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today markets just consolidated after a surge yesterday, and that was expected today. That's because yesterday US markets also consolidated. Nasdaq was down slightly, Dow was slightly higher. So as expected, we opened slightly lower, and but we actually broke yesterday's low. But I told you in the morning, yesterday's low was not very important. So I told you 17,620 should be the support. I think market took support somewhere there. And still today, the Bank Nifty has outperformed hugely. In fact, today morning, I mentioned that ICICI Bank and State Bank of India both will be in focus. And both prices have gone up, and ICICI Bank is the first banking stock to hit fresh all-time high. And if you think that this is a bear market rally, then every day one stock hitting fresh all-time high, that should not happen. Already we have seen Bajaj Auto hitting fresh all-time high, ITC hitting fresh all-time high, now it is ICICI Bank, Coal India, like so many stocks from Nifty 50. Outside the Nifty 50, Adani Enterprise, every day it hits fresh all-time high. And today also Adani Enterprise hit fresh all-time high. And somebody in my Twitter told me, sir, 2900 is the resistance for Adani Enterprise. And I replied by saying, there is no resistance for Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise resistance is only at infinity. So every day it goes up. So also in the morning, on the negative side, I said TCS and Infosys. I generally IT stocks. That's because yesterday Nasdaq was down. So moreover, yesterday TCS and Infosys, they both have shot up so much because of short covering. And when that short covering is over, it's likely to fall. So that is what actually happened. I think today TCS and Infosys both have lost almost all the gains they made yesterday. And morning, though Nifty break yesterday's low, Reliance Industries, which is the star performer today, so that is the stock that took the market, turned around and took the market much higher. And today, on a close-to-close basis, Nifty was up about 40 points. The entire 40 points is contributed only by Reliance. If not for Reliance, then Nifty would have closed absolutely flat today. Of course, banking stocks have done well, and that was compensated by the negative contribution by TCS, Infosys. I think Divi slab, but there must be some news. It has fallen so much today, and there was some profit booking in L&T. So, some stocks took the market higher, some stocks took the market lower. It would have been absolutely flat if not for Reliance. So, metal stocks also did well today. So, it was surprised. So, I could catch Tata Steel at a lower price. I think I bought around 865 rupees. That is about 86.5 now. And now it has shot up more than 110. So, I bought 4 stocks: Vedanta, Tata Steel, PFC and REC, and I think I announced it in my YouTube also, and all the 4 are doing very, very well. And today, in fact, the momentum is building up in PFC and REC today only. So, option premiums have collapsed. That's because India VIX fell 6% yesterday and today fell another 4%. So when India VIX falls 10% in 2 days and the markets are consolidating, so naturally the option premiums will fall drastically. And looking at the open interest, the huge open interest is being added at 17,600 PE, and that is just less than 100 points away from the current market price. That shows the confidence of the bulls. The markets are really bullish. Maybe some negative news, something can come suddenly, VIX can shoot up and the premium can shoot up, but barring unforeseen circumstances, so the markets are really bullish. And moreover, for the coming week, today one trading session is gone. Monday is a holiday. So that means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have only 3 more trading sessions for this week. So that could be one possible reason. So after the market close, IIP data and CPI inflation data came. The CPI inflation data came at 6.7% around, and still it is higher than RBI's comfort range of 2% to 6%. So now markets are likely to consolidate between 17,400 and 17,800 probably on the higher side. So for next, because we have only 3 more days, I am talking only about the weekly, coming week expiry, not the monthly expiry. So today it is time to go for party, so therefore don't want to go for the detailed analysis. Maybe Sunday program I will give you some detailed analysis. So Monday, the 2 stocks to watch is Manappuram Finance and Muthoot Finance. So they both are getting into track now. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.